Now let us see the phases. First, economic depression. Now this economic depression, in this economic depression, the economic activities are going to slow down, will slow down. In this, the income, production, employment, price, profit, everything is going to fall. This is economic depression period. Second is recovery period. Now in this recovery period, it will be the turning point of business cycle. Why it is the turning point for the business cycle? Because it is going to jump from depression to prosperity or boom. Okay, so this will be the turning period. Now in this, there will be a slow rise. Why we are writing slow rise? Because it will take time to reach at the prosperity period. So there will be slow rise in output, income, employment, price. Slowly it will rise. Then comes the third period, that is the boom or prosperity, or we can also call it as progress. Now this is the highest stage of economic recovery. It means the recovery is taking place, but when this recovery reaches to the final or the highest stage, then it becomes the prosperity or boom. Now in this, income, output or production, employment, price, all are going to reach to the maximum. Why maximum? Because this is the highest stage. Okay. Then this boom period does not remain forever. In any of the country, it will not remain forever. Because of the prosperity, because of the more profit, maybe some of the mistakes occur. Suppose if the production is too much, बूम पीरियड में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा इनकम होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट होता है, तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि द सप्लायर्स, द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, द प्रोड्यूसर्स, दे डू द bulk of production, and because of the bulk of production, all the market gets disturbed. It means mismanagement can occur because of the overproduction. Now because of the overproduction, the interest of the people will be removed, or the interest of the people will be lost from the goods. The demand for that goods will become short. People will not like that good, and because of that, slowly that production will be affected, employment will be affected, income will be affected. So from boom, the period of recession comes, recession starts. Now this recession is because of the mistakes done by entrepreneurs or producers. What mistake they do? They do the overproduction of goods, and because of the overproduction of good, there will be the less demand in the market. Because of the less demand in the market, the production is going to affect. Because of the reduction in the production, the employment is going to affect. Because of the employment, there will be the effect of it on the income, effect of it on the price. So everything now will start going down, and this recession period will lead again to the period of depression. We can show it in this form: depression, then recovery, then boom, recession, and again depression. So this is the cycle. This goes on continuously.